Hey, what's up? Welcome to another edition of Melnick's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making Jamaican Sorrel. The drink. I have 24 cups of purified water, bag of sorrel, brown sugar, cinnamon sticks. I'm going to be using the skin of oranges and ginger. So I'm going to prepare all the ingredients, then we'll come back, I'll put it all into the pot and we'll simmer it for about a half hour. So the orange peels are in. Since this is 4 times the amount of water for the recipe, adding everything up by 4. So I'm using 3 orange peels instead of 4, and I'm putting in a little bit of actual orange. That gives it a little bit of a orangey flavor. So I'm going to put in the cinnamon sticks. Normally you're supposed to put in 2, but for a recipe 4 times as much, I'm going to put in 8 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That should be good. This is normally 2 cups, so I'm going to put in 8 cups. It's usually very concentrated, so 8 cups should definitely be sufficient. So this is 4. This is about 8. Alright, I'm going to grate up the ginger and I'll be right back. Alright, I grated up my ginger. You're supposed to use about 2 inches for the recipe, so this is probably about 6 or 8 inches of this raw ginger. So I'm going to put that in. It's kind of hard to tell how much ginger to use, but I like it tart, so I put in that much. Usually 1 cup for every 4 cups of water for brown sugar. So I'm going to try about 3.5, 4 cups. That's 1, and maybe not even that much. 2, maybe 3 cups. Here's the brown sugar. And I'm going to stir it up and start it up. Alright, all the ingredients are in. So I'm basically going to put the flame on. As soon as it starts boiling, I'm going to simmer it for about a half hour. Maybe a little bit longer because there's more stuff in it. And then we'll have our drink. Then I'm going to strain it through a cheesecloth and put it into containers. Okay, I'll see you guys in a little while. The sorrel is finished and it's cooled off a little bit. It's splattered all over the place. I wasn't watching the heat, but it should be okay now. Still obviously a little bit hot, but it should be okay to strain. I made a strainer with cheesecloth and clips. So I put it in here and then I put the rest of it in here to drain whatever's left. Anyway, I'm going to do this, I'm going to strain it, and I'll be back later. One thing you got to be careful about this stuff is that it kind of stains everything. It comes out, but it's a pain in the ass to get out, so I try not to spill it as much as possible. I'm back again. I strained most of it. I still have a little bit here left to strain. I'm going to run this through the cheesecloth again. But take a look. So that's strained sorrel. All right, I'll see you guys later.
Form and